Hi, here at H. Mitchell Car Sales, we're very pleased to be able to offer for sale this 2019 Ford Focus 1 litre EcoBoost Titanium. This is the 125 brake horsepower model. This car's finished in Tectonic silver metallic paint. It's got the LED daytime driving lights, chrome grille, front parking sensors, front fog lights, body coloured door mirrors with side repeaters. You've got the chrome trim running along the door tops, rear privacy glass, colour coded door handles, shark fin roof aerial, 16-inch alloy wheels, front and rear side alloy wheel. So inside the car you've got the charcoal grey cloth upholstery with the striped patterned centre panels, light grey stitching, rear passenger area. So in the rear of the car you've got room for 3 passengers, centre armrest with twin cup holders, Isofix fixing points for the baby seat. You've also got a 12-volt plug-in point for the benefit of the rear passengers, electric rear window openings, near side rear alloy wheel. Moving around to the rear of the car you've got the rear parking sensors, inside the rear load area you've got the 60/40 split rear seat, space saver spare wheel, moving around onto the driver's side of the car now. Driver's side rear alloy wheel. So inside the car on the driver's door you've got the controls for the electric windows all round, electric mirror adjustments. This car's got the electric folding mirrors, automatic headlamps, centre armrest with internal storage box. Inside the storage box is a USB plug-in point. So this car has done 10,721 miles. 6-speed gearbox, controls on the centre console. For the eco mode you can turn off the traction control system. You've got the stop start deactivation switch, USB and 12-volt plug-in for accessories, dual climate control. You've also got the Quickclear front screen. Onto the 8-inch touchscreen media system you've got the DAB radio station, AM and FM bandings as well. You've got the Bluetooth connectivity so you can play music from an external device, full screen navigation system, controls on the end of the indicator stalk for the lane departure mode. Then on the steering wheel you've got the controls for the cruise control and speed limiter. On the other side you've got the controls for answering and rejecting calls. You've also got voice control if your phone's compatible. Outside you've got the identification plate that tells it's the Ford Focus Titanium 1 litre EcoBoost 125 PS and it's a Euro 6.2 engine. Moving forward, driver's side front alloy wheel. Okay, I hope you find this video informative. Any further questions regarding this car, please contact us by phoning 01924 411 323 or send an email to mail@hmitchellcarsales.co.uk. Thank you for watching. Look forward to your inquiry. Bye.